Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 7 actually has Media Center installed. Make sure your edition supports it. Plug in a TV tuner or connect HDMI, then switch your TV to the correct input so the signal is live. Once done, open Start, type Windows Media Center, and press Enter to launch. This step initializes libraries and device detection. You do this now so the program can scan your hardware and media folders immediately, avoiding delays later when configuring guides or playback. Once Media Center launches, follow the initial setup wizard and choose Live TV if you have a tuner. Set your region so the electronic program guide matches local schedules. Next, run the tuner scan to map channels and perform a short test recording to verify playback and scheduling. Meanwhile, add media folders under videos, music, and pictures so WMC builds a library. This indexing is why playback and searches are fast. Make sure to confirm recording storage location and free disk space before proceeding. You finish by scheduling a real recording and immediately playing it back to confirm the whole chain works: guide data, tuner, recording, and playback. Then refine settings, set DVR storage limits, transcoding quality and parental controls so behavior matches your needs. If something goes wrong, first rerun the tuner and guide setup and make sure device drivers are current. Often a driver update or receipt of the tuner cable fixes reception or recording errors. If issues persist, reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.